Welcome back to whatever this is. Today we've got a thrift haul. As you can see, we have Y2K early 2000s hair tools. Now, to most people, this is garbage. That would explain why it's at the thrift store. Well, but to me, this is the best $35 I've spent in a long time. I mean, we gotta bump it. I haven't had time to try it, so we're gonna try it together. What do you wanna start with? I think we'll start with these because I haven't seen these in forever. I actually forgot about them. Do you remember this? Solar rollers? $4. In 2001, they were 10, so that's a little much in my opinion. These were the original heatless curlers. It's just a wire with a piece of foam in the middle. You would wrap your hair in a spiral and do this to secure the ends. It does have to be damp. Oh, my hair is doing that thing again. The static, and you just roll it in a spiral. Of course, we missed a piece, and then you snap the end. Okay. We'll just have to clip it. It's not wanting to stay bent. Then you can air dry, blow dry, or leave overnight. Oh, I thought you were supposed to sit in the sun with these. I never had these, but I remember the commercial, which maybe I can find. I thought the whole gimmick was they were silver and they would heat up with the sun. Am I remembering that correctly? I don't know, I can't find a commercial, but I thought that's kind of the gimmick behind them. Now we gotta get to this because I just cannot wait. This is a Goody Heat Wave Bubble Wand. This is from 2010, so not too long ago. Pretend I'm not doing this. Power button, and then on this roller, it has 10 heat settings. These were actually discontinued, never used this either, but Bedhead makes one now, a newer version of this, if this looks good. I feel like I need permission to use this. So you wrap your hair around the skinny parts of the bubble wand to create a natural wave. That actually looks, does that look good? You would need one of those heat gloves. I think I need a little bit more practice, but I'm gonna be using this on my hair. For $6, we have the Conair Fashion Curl. You may remember this goodie from QVC 2017.
Oh, this is gonna go downhill really quickly. Cause I mean, look at the thing. It does look a little funky.
This thing just looks dangerous. You turn it on here, this side towards your head, or the commercial says it's gonna cause a tangle. This will apparently suck up the hair. This middle cylinder part is getting really hot, and I guess it will wrap it around like an oven. Oh, so it starts when you close it, kind of like that, what was that machine tool? The split ender. The split ender did that. As soon as it would turn on. So you put the machine where you want it to start the curl, and wait for it to beep really fast. Oh, how would you make the curl go the other way? Let's try it again. Oh, wow. So it kind of twists and rolls the hair at the same time. Oh no. Pretty sure they still make these or versions of this. The ones that look like cylinders or cups, you do that. It's just okay. Oh, look at this. I found Billy's Bootcamp. $2.99. Sadly, I don't have a DVD player, but I do have a VHS player. I used to do the Taekwondo one. Not anymore. From 2002, we have the Swizzlers by Conair. Last week, we tried these, the hot sticks, which are pretty similar. They just have a straight stick. $6.50 for these. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love it. It looks like my old phone. It was a clear phone like this. This is great. In case you missed last week, you didn't miss anything. It was kind of boring. These are hot sticks from 1997. It's a rubber stick with a wire in the middle that will bend, but these are straight. The Swizzlers have a spiral on it. The hair is gonna go in between the grooves. Oh, it's showing to wrap it like this. I thought you would move it around the grooves like a staircase. While we wait for this, oh, I've got this. I found another one of these popcorn shirts. This is the original one. See, they start off tiny, one size fits all, and you just get in there. And this is also something I've had. I think I got this off eBay, but Thermasilk Moisture Shampoo, Heat Activated Shampoo. Smell it. I love that. The commercials for this were the best. They really tried to convince us that heat was gonna repair our hair. The more we blow dry it, the better it's gonna get.
Now the heat from a curling iron or the blast from a blow dryer is actually good for your hair. Introducing Thermasilk Heat Activated Shampoo.
But I wish they'd bring this back. It really was great shampoo. I'm gonna shampoo my hair with this in a minute. Let's try my bang the way she's wrapping it. How do you do this? There we go. Oh, I lost it, but it's kind of doing the spiral thing here. This is a Curls and Waves Coral Conair Hot Roller Set, and it smells terrible. I did spray it with Lysol before, so I'm not sure if the Lysol heating up or if they just smell like that. You get the large, medium, and small rods with the metal clips or pins. I love a good hot roller, but they can be pretty scary because there's no way to regulate the heat. We'll try these large ones. They're plastic with grips. The ones I used to use were velvet. They do get very hot. This set was $6, but they do still make these. They're just in a different color palette. They're nude. Very boring, and they are $32. This I found a while ago. Conair Get It Straight. The logo is just a peel-off sticker. It's just a basic flat iron. Oh, and it needs to be cleaned. We've got someone's hair grease all over it. When I first saw it, I thought it was the Conair Impressions. It looked pretty similar to this, I think. I never had one. You could change the plates and there would be a heart, a triangle, zigzags, and you would stamp things in your hair. Let's take some of this junk out. We'll start with these Swizzler Twizzlers. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh. All right, we spoke too soon. These are our heat rollers. Give us nothing. Those are fine for volume or body, but you're not gonna get a lot of curl. Oh, my hair. This is the Solar Waver. Oh, what? Now we're gonna try this Bump It. This one is from 2009, but I'm pretty sure they still make these. It's a crescent moon plastic insert, and they're pretty heavy. I never had one of these, because I never had enough hair to really cover it up. How's it look? Oh, you're supposed to wear two? That's a lot. Hang on, I think we did it wrong. You have to tease the hair first. I'm thinking I just need to take the Flowbee to my head after this and just cut all this off. I mean, not only is this extremely heavy, it's just gonna take one gust of wind, one convertible ride, and whoops, there goes your Bump It. Ladies, no man is worth that, doing that to yourself. All right, that was fun. I didn't uncover anything I loved. The bead curling iron wand, I'm gonna get better at that. But the rest of this, I would say we've made an improvement with our hair tools and wardrobe.